I'm doing an unboxing video of Bennici Baking Sheets. It's a set of 3 baking sheets with silicone handles. So, I'm getting the plastic wrap off. It's a non-stick 3-piece set, and it's oven safe up to 450 degrees. So there's a small one, a medium one, and a big one. Let's see if we can get into this box. Always have trouble with these things that are like tabs. So I'm just going to cut through them. There. And I'm going to slide out, see what's inside. Very nice. They're packaged well in bubble wrap. Oh, here's the little one. That's nice. It's a nice size. And inside there's a thank you note. I love when they send thank you notes. And there's a baking sheet guide with a recipe for peanut cookies. That's great. And inside it gives you the sizes of the small, the medium, and the large. The small is 13.3 by 8.6 inches. Medium is 15 by 10 inches, and large is 17 by 11.8 inches. It tells you about using them. For the first use, you should remove these silicone handles before washing. So we'll keep that in mind. Now let's see the next size. I love these. They are heavy. They're very nice quality. Very nice. And they're non-stick. Here's the big one. Very smooth and just nice. These handles and grips can be removed like that. Then you can put them back. But don't think that they might not be hot when it comes out of the oven, so be sure to use a hot pad or a pot holder when you take them out. Don't just depend on these to not be hot, because I think they will be. Now I'm trying to get it back in. Okay, have to line up the little holes, but that's okay. And then you're ready to bake. Well, you have to wash them first. So that's our next step. We'll go wash them. They nest inside each other, as you saw. So they take up very little space in your cabinet. I love them already, and I haven't even used them. Next is to use them. I have washed the cookie sheet, the baking sheet, took the handles off, put them back on. And I fixed some roasted vegetables just from whatever I could find in the refrigerator. So I've got mushrooms and onions and zucchini and squash and peas. I think that's it. Salt. And a little bit of pepper. And they're ready to go in the oven. So my roasted vegetables are finished. I added some carrots there at the end, and now I'm just going to slide them off into a plate, and none of them are stuck. This is really a great baking sheet. So, see how clean that pan is? That really worked great. Thank you, Benicci, for sending me this 3-sheet baking set to try out. I love it. I love this non-stick technology. It's made with 0.5 millimeters carbon steel and a high quality non-stick coating. So cleanup's going to be a breeze, and just wash it off by hand with some soap and it'll be clean. These sheets are built to last. You can tell that they're high quality. And this would be an ideal gift for anyone who loves baking. So if you're ready to elevate your baking game and you'd like to try a set of these, just go to the link below in the description and it will take you directly to Amazon where you can purchase them.